Hi, welcome to Technology. In this video tutorial, we are going to install Parrot OS in VirtualBox. It will be helpful for ethical hackers, and the next videos will be on ethical hacking. Now, just download the VirtualBox and go to your favorite browser and type Parrot OS and click Enter. Now, the Parrot Security OS website has been displayed. Now, go into that website and scroll down, go, and go to downloads. If you want to read this, you can read. Go to securities, which we can have security tools. Now go to direct download link or get torrent. Now the download has been started. It will nearly take half an hour because it's such a large file, nearly 5.5. Now the download has been completed, going to complete, not completed, going to complete. Now completed. Just close this and go to VirtualBox and go select tools and click import. Now select that OVA file that's in disk E. In the hacking section I put that. Now go to Parrot Security and select that OVA file. Now just click next. Now click import. If you want to change anything, you can change. Click that agree button. If you want to read, you can read. The next tutorials will be about hacking, how to hack some system, how to get remote controls. For that quick notification, you click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon and just click that thumbs up for motivate me. And it nearly take half an hour or 20 minutes about your computer's level and your RAM level. For me it take nearly half an hour. It's getting on. It nearly takes some time. You just have some song. Now it has been imported. Now if you click start, let's see what's happening. WhatsApp. Wow, what is this? If I click headless slot, that's also the same problem. For that you need to check out that enable USB control, but it's not available because the storage is so high. So go to the system and click motherboard and decrease the storage space. Now click uncheck and click. Now go to headless start. Now it has been started successfully. Yeah, let's go into that. Don't click anything, it will start up directly. Now the booting process has been started. Just wait for some times. Yeah, it started. The Parrot OS has been successfully installed in your VirtualBox. Now wait for some time to get you in. Wait. You need some mental health or some what to do, what to say, I don't know. You need something to wait. Yeah, it's getting on. Voila, we got the Parrot OS. Ah, we got. Now I'm going to change my background. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.